Hello, welcome back to math lesson. We are supposed to find the area of this figure. Let's ask ourselves, what is this shape? This is irregular pentagon. It has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do we have a single formula to find the area of irregular pentagon? Definitely the answer is no. Now, for this figure, what we can do? We can partition this figure into two regular figures. We can get a triangle and a rectangle, from which we can use their respectively formula to get the total area of this figure. When we partition it, we get right-angled triangle and a rectangle. Let us name the figure. We can call it as A, B, C, D, and E. We will call triangle BCD as area 1 and the rectangle ABDE as area 2. First, let us find area 1, which is the area of triangle having the base as 6 and height as 8. We have a right-angled triangle over here. So, area 1 is the area of a triangle that is given by a half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Area 1 is equal to a half. Our base is 6 centimeter. So, multiplied by 6 multiplied by our height is 8 centimeter multiplied by 8. By 2, we get 1. By 2, we get 3. 3 multiplied by 8, we get a 1 is equal to 24 centimeter square. So, our area 1, which is the area of a triangle, is equal to 24 centimeter square. Now, let us go and find area 2, which is the area of rectangle. Area 2 is the area of rectangle, which is given by length multiplied by width. But when we checked properly, for our rectangle, we have only the width of 3 centimeter. We don't have the length. So what we are going to do? Let us think. We are going to use right-angled triangle to get the distance BD, which is the length of the rectangle. Distance BD is the hypotenuse of the triangle, and we have shorter side of 8 and 6. Let's go and find distance BD using this triangle. From Pythagoras theory, for the right-angled triangle, the square of the shorter side, this is equal to the long side square. That is A square plus B square. This is equal to C square. We have our A. This is equal to 8. B is equal to 6. And we are looking for C, which is equal to distance BD, which is equal also to the length of a rectangle. Let us substitute this to Pythagoras theory. Now A is equal to 8. That is going to be 8 square plus B is equal to 6, that is 6 square. This gives us C square. 64 plus 36, this is equal to C square. 64 plus 36, we get 100. This is equal to C square. C square is equal to 100. Take square root both sides. We get C is equal to 10 centimeter. Remember, since it is a distance, we take only positive. But we said C is the same as the length of the rectangle. So we get our length is equal to 10 centimeter. So this is 10 centimeter. Now we can continue and find area 2. Our area 2 is equal to length. We get 10 centimeter. That is going to be 10 multiplied by our width is equal to 3. This will give us area 2 equal to 30 centimeter square. So area 2 is equal to 30 centimeter square. Our total area is equal to area 1 plus area 2. That is, total area is equal to 24 plus 30, which will give us the total area is equal to 54 centimeter square. I hope you understand how to find the area of this pentagon. We partition it into area of triangle, which we call as area 1, and area 2, we call it as area of a rectangle. Then we add area 1 plus area 2 to get the total area. For more video about area, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.